Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your Nothing Phone 3. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So go over to settings. Now here we are at the main page. Scroll a bit down until you guys see sound and vibration. And here you guys will be able to adjust the media volume, ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. So here you guys can basically check it. Now what we can do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. It's very important to not use anything metallic. So as you guys can see, let me show you. Here we have speaker grills. We also have them here right at the bottom. And now if you want to clean them, use something soft, as I've mentioned before. And now let's go back to settings, to the sound and vibration. And here we will have the audio will play on, and we need to select this device. And if you got anything else connected, then simply we need to choose this phone or simply disable the Bluetooth. So go here. Now here scroll up, go to connected devices and go to connection preferences. Go to Bluetooth and now disable it. So now what we can do is we can update our software to actually fix the speaker issues. It can be very frustrating if you do not have the latest update and you think the phone is just bad, but it's probably just the software. So go to settings and now scroll all the way down to system. Go to the system updates. And here, as you guys can see, my system is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.